Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the unknown error on ometv. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. First, I will open my browser and go to the ometv. As you can see, I got the error message. When I click on restart, it keeps popping up. This error usually occurs due to modification related to your webcam or microphone. If you have installed any software that affects these devices, you will need to uninstall it. For example, I had Clownfish voice changer installed, which caused this error. To fix this, remove any Chrome extension or softwares related to your microphone or webcam. I am going to remove mine and click restart. Now you can see my login window appeared. When I click on Facebook, you can see it's loading. I have allowed my camera and it's now working perfectly. I hope this video helps you. So don't forget to like and subscribe.